How to fix Spotify not showing songs in playlist. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, what you can do is just go to the Play Store application on your device and search for Spotify application. So just make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means that we have the latest version of the Spotify application on our device. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Spotify application and then tap on app info. As we tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where we'll be able to see the option of storage. So tap on clear all data and here you can see the option of delete all data. Now if you are convenient and if it's convenient and more comfortable for you, then you can delete all data. If not, you can just delete the cache. Then go back and tap on app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required options over here, such as camera, files and media, and so on, by going on to each option and giving that the access. After that, you can just go to the Spotify application and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.